It's not about winning. It's about rising from the ashes. एक बहुत साल पहले there was this amazing contestant called Milan and there was a contestant called Varun. दोनों का vote out हुआ था and one had to leave.
मैं आज ऐसा खड़ा हूँ आप लोगों के सामने, प्लीज़ आपको इतनी मेहनत तो दिख रही होगी क्योंकि मैं सच में कुछ नहीं था और इसने मुझे बहुत कुछ बनाया, बहुत कुछ सिखाया और सर हम दोनों एग्जाम्पल बन सकते हैं।
कभी कभार ना हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जो जजेस की या गैंग लीडर्स की आपस में लड़ाई है ना, कहीं ये स्क्रिप्टेड तो नहीं है।
We are pure the Sanjawalas. Like you have no idea how much we love his music. So this is like 8 years ago. He'll be driving. He's like, "Do you know?" And I'm like, "Okay."
आज हमारे साथ इतनी ज्यादा अमेजिंगली स्टनिंग दिखती हुई नेहा धूपिया, आप बहुत ही अमेजिंग लग रही है नेहा, एंड एज ब्यूटीफुल एज एवर। हम उस चीज के लिए जिस बार हमने पिछली बार बहुत मिस किया था, रोडीज की सुपर जज बन के आने, इट विल बी अमेजिंग। एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट वाज, मुझे पहले पता भी नहीं होता था कि मीम्स होती क्या है, जब आपका वो एक बहुत एक सेंटेंस था which became very popular, it's my choice. So how did you react to it?
I mean, it's a part of it, right? पहले ऐसे लगता है that what's the big deal? उसके बाद ऐसे लगता है it'll end. उसके बाद it's like you have to come to terms with it. And then everybody who kept saying that to me, and I was just like, why is so much of it happening? Because I still stand by what I was saying.
Actually.
And then it's like all of that has gotten reversed into the love. It got converted. जैसे होता है ना, एक mathematical conversion हुई, and that just converted into love. And when they put this promo back that I'm coming back on the show, and जितने comments मैं पढ़ सकती हूँ, I was in shock. I was just like, इतना क्या हमने कर दिया कि इतना प्यार मिल गया. You know, it's amazing how it just turned around. It's gone 360, and I feel like my journey or my relevance or my absence or my voice, whatever I've exercised on the show, is not that it can't be matched, but I know it's one that can't be missed. And I'm just so happy. And मुझे तो मतलब I'm certain that more than the show, more than me, more than anything else, it's the love that everybody, showered on me in my absence that has got me back.
So what was it which you actually missed in these years in Roadies?
The journey, the adventure. There's so much nostalgia. I miss the other gang leaders. Some new ones have come, so it's always about, getting to know new people. Some old ones are here, so I'm very excited about that as well. And to say that the ones who aren't gang leaders this year, will I miss them? Of course I will. And I wish it would have been the same. But even if it's new, and even if there are new people on the show, it's about embracing that. It's about acknowledging the fact that at one point I was also new, and someone embraced that also. And it wasn't bad at all.
कभी कभार ना हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जो जजेस की या गैंग लीडर्स की आपस में लड़ाई है ना, कहीं ये स्क्रिप्टेड तो नहीं है। इज इट लाइक आप असल में लड़ते हैं?
नहीं, कहीं पे भी स्क्रिप्टेड नहीं है. Obviously, competition gets the best and worst out of people. Winning takes you to any heights. अभी अगर आप कोई मैच भी देख लो, अगर कोई स्पोर्ट खेल रहा होता है, people like, they get feisty, they get competitive, they get fast, they know how important that victory is for them. But मैच खेलने के बाद everybody shakes hands, right? कि मतलब it's over now. There's always, everybody waves the white flag. So ये बहुत ज़रूरी है, and I want to tell all the viewers, all the fans of the show, all the followers of the show, it's not scripted. But after that, we do wave the white flag, and we're like, now again till the sun rises again. but हमारे यहाँ sunrise का मौका ही नहीं होता क्योंकि उसी शाम वोट आउट हो जाता है और फिर हमारी बैंड बज जाती है. So we lose somebody. The stake, the price is very high, because I have seen there are people who have for 6 years in a row prepared this, that, come on the show, and after doing all this, after this entire prep has happened, they've gotten out in the first round just for like someone's silly mistake or friendship. एक बहुत साल पहले there was this amazing contestant called Milan. If I remember his name right, and there was a contestant called Varun. And भाईचारे में मिलन दोनों का वोट आउट हुआ था, and one had to leave and one had to stay. And he said that ये मेरा दोस्त है, I still have goosebumps, मैं इसके लिए निकल के चले जाऊंगा. Look at his honor code. Till now, 8 years later, we are talking about him. We are not talking about anyone else. But then he came back the next year. And वही लड़का था जो पिछले 6 साल या 8 साल से प्रिपेयर भी कर रहा था, पर वो फर्स्ट राउंड में ही निकल गया. जितनी कला उसने प्रिपेयर की थी, वो कला दिखा ही नहीं पाया, पर एक और साल के बाद आया. उसके बाद वो एंड तक, ऑलमोस्ट एंड तक रहा, हाफ वे थ्रू द जर्नी रहा. पर आई एम जस्ट सेइंग दैट people need to understand, like the fans of the show are people who follow us. Like there are people
Absolutely.
who like me more than they like someone else. They like another gang leader more than they like me.
True.
But I'm saying that it's not, it is, it's not personal. It's a public platform, but the competition is real. So let's not get personal, let's get competitive. And there's nothing wrong with competition. It only makes you better and it only takes the truth out in you.
Which is your biggest turn off and turn on जब भी कोई मेल कंटेस्टेंट है सामने?
Disrespect would be a big turn off. And I think honesty and integrity is a big flag, like green flag, that okay, he'll be a good player, good team player, and not pretending to be someone else. Not कि I'm very intelligent, I'm very strong, I'm very this, और निकले आगे से कुछ भी नहीं है दम. So I don't think it's about the muscles. It's about the strength. I don't think it's about the intelligence. It's about your mental ability. There are two different things. How you perform under pressure. It's not about excelling when everything is going well. It's about how, it's not about winning. It's about rising from the ashes. हारने के बाद जीतना ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, एज अपोज टू जीत के फाइनली हारना. वो भी देखा है हमने कई बार. सो एवरीथिंग, इट्स अ कॉम्बिनेशन, बट इट्स नॉट अबाउट, it's not a gender thing. I mean, disrespect, whether it's man or woman, is not okay. And honor code definitely lies in honesty. So whether you're a man or woman, both ways, it's a very big thing.
So Neha Dhupia, when it comes to Roadies, एक अलग से एक X factor आ जाता है. But इस बार आप क्या डिफरेंट करने वाली हैं जिसके लिए we should definitely look out for?
अरे मुझे खुद नहीं पता, ये शो से बड़ा तो कुछ होता ही नहीं है. So I mean, जब भी आपको लगता है कि आप ये करोगे, आप ये जाके करोगे, आप ये बोलोगे, आप ये करोगे,
सोच के बहुत जाते हो.
I don't think at all, because they put you in this situation. तो पहले से लोड लेने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. तो they put you in this situation and you're like, oh God, अब क्या करें, अब क्या करें, अब क्या करें. वो सब उसी टाइम शुरू होना चाहिए, and not like, you know, at a time where you think कि आप शो से बड़े हो गए हैं and you can handle everything. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. So yeah, this is the exciting part, meeting people. And I think the tough part starts when you're actually on the journey, because then if you don't do well, बाकी लोग जर्नी से निकलना शुरू हो जाते हैं, आपका गैंग खाली होने लगता है, and that's not nice, and you're responsible for that, and that's why you're called a leader.
So नेहा, जब आपने रोडीज ज्वाइन नहीं किया था, जब आप एक मतलब बर्ड्स आई पर्सपेक्टिव था, आप देखते थी रोडीज, मतलब किसी जज के लिए, किसी गैंग लीडर के लिए, किसी कंटेस्टेंट के लिए, उस वक्त आपके जहन में क्या होता था, और अब when you are a part of रोडीज, क्या कोई डिफरेंस आया?
No, like I watch it and I'll be like, man, that's hot. Man, how did that happen? Oh my God, this one was so good. Why didn't this one perform? So I had an emotion, like it was a match for me. You know, when you're watching a match and you know, I never believed that it was scripted. I never ever thought that it didn't have its heart in the right place. Something that has its heart in the right place can only see 20 seasons. We're in the 20th year of an original format show. There's something right about it. And what that something is, it's okay if we never ever figure it out, as long as we continue to get the love.
Absolutely.
But jab my audience ki, and I've been in every like form, like I've watched it as audience, I've watched it as a gang leader, I watched it with a heavy heart when I wasn't a part of the show. And I'm going to admit, I didn't watch the 2 seasons that I was not a part of it, because I would have, but somewhere I was just like, you know, I need more energy to finally watch it. Just when I was coming to terms with the fact that, you know, I'm not going to be on Roadies, boom, I get the call. So I've seen the whole thing, the whole circle. Yeah, it's been great.
So out of all those Roadies winners in these 20 seasons, कौन सा आपको लगता है कि सबसे ज़्यादा डिजर्विंग था? मतलब ये तो था ही था, ये तो फर्स्ट एपिसोड से ही लग रहा था कि इसी को बनना.
I don't know. So for me, I've seen Victory along with Shweta and Kashish, who were in my gang. So I'd stick to them. But everyone is great. Everyone is doing well. And I want to also tell people that ज़रूरी नहीं है कि जो जीतते हैं वो लाइफ में अच्छा करते हैं. And I know that I think a year later, Shweta also had a journey of turmoil where I think she had a freak accident and she was bedridden for some time. But again, you know, it's rising from there, becoming strong. So yeah, I'm proud of The connections I've made, I'm not going to lie, I've not been in touch with everyone. My life is very busy. I have 2 young children. I have to look after them. That's, you know, my biggest asset, responsibility, love, all of that. So this huge expectation that they have out of me as a mother. So I can't put everything else ahead of them. But yeah, keeping that in mind, you know, I only have that much time to make connections. But for the ones who write to me on my page, मैं सबके comments पढ़ती हूँ. मैं अगर जवाब नहीं देती हूँ, it doesn't mean I've not read your comments. The ones who are trying to DM me and talk to me, I'm reading your messages. I just don't have time. But yeah, I'm sending love back to all of you.
So बहुत सारे लोगों को पता शायद ना हो क्योंकि ये इंटरनेशनल ग्लोबल ऑडियंस है कि इन्होंने पंजाबी फिल्मों में भी काम किया है. And I think that you met Angad on probably on one of those Punjabi films only, I guess.
Yes.
Rangile?
Yes.
If I'm not
But
wrong.
not for the first time. I knew him
Okay.
before that. And I met him, like, I knew him in Delhi, and he's been my friend for more than 15 years before we got married.
अच्छा.
Yeah, so, I mean,
But
प्यार तो
वो
होना ही
कहाँ
था.
वो कौन सा वक्त था या वो कौन सा था जब वो सबसे ज़्यादा strong होके it actually cultivated into marriage?
I think right before I was leaving for a season of roadies, actually. And then I went away for 40 days, and that time I was just like, okay, it's kind of hard to live without him. So yeah, I think this is it. Let's get married.
Wow.
I feel like in life you should simplify everything, and that's something I learned from him. He simplifies everything. किसी चीज़ का load लेना ही नहीं है, and I'm the opposite. I take load for 100 people.
Wow.
So yeah, I learn a lot from him. Very, very relaxed.
Neha, people like you, Punjabis like you, who have been like, you know, now who are conquering Bollywood now. जितना पहले नहीं था उससे बहुत ज़्यादा है. If we talk about Karan Aujla और दिलजीत, उन्होंने तो मतलब पूरी तरह से कैप्चर ही कर लिए. So what do you have to say about those Punjabi singers जो पहले इतने ज़्यादा नजर नहीं आते थे, but now they have like totally captured Bollywood?
I mean, it's great. Like for us, it's always been like we used to ask this question because we've been listening to Karan Aujla or Diljit Dosanjh or just so many other singers even before the rest of the world was listening, because nobody could take their talent away from them. Like my husband would serenade me to "Do You Know?" So I'm like,
Wow.
suddenly he'll be like, this is like 8 years ago. He'll be driving. He's like, "Do you know?" And I'm like, okay. And then he'll be like, you know, and then I'm just saying that, you know, we are from Amritsar. We're thoroughbred Sardars. We thrive and we live on Punjabi music. Our son is 3. He speaks in pure Punjabi.
Wow.
He's had his birthday party right now, and we were only like listening. We are pure the Sanjawalas. Like you have no idea how much we love his music. And even Karan Aujla's music, you know. And I feel like it's a family where, you know, our 2.5-year-old son goes from like baby shark to like, you know, I cannot even name the tracks, but it's so great to see him embrace his culture. And I'm so proud that, you know, there is a generation that is embracing, loving, enjoying, you know, and pop culture is about, you know, music from all over the country, which is traveling to the rest of the world. And it's such a huge cultural export exchange that's happening in the world right now as we speak. And we couldn't be more proud.
Super. And अब और ज़्यादा proud होने का वक्त आ गया है, because Rudy's is back with as bold, as sassy, as vibrant as ever. Neha, अब तो आपको I don't think कोई और reason चाहिए to watch Rudy's. और इसी के साथ अब दीजिए इजाज़त. This is your love coach signing off. Thank you.
Thank you.
107.2 Punjabi Fever. हो गाने